Hey there, tech enthusiasts and curious minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's at the intersection of technology, robotics, and artificial intelligence. You guessed it. We're talking about drone swarming and AI coordination. So, what exactly is drone swarming? And how are AI systems enabling these flying robots to work together so seamlessly? Let's find out. Have you ever wondered how a flock of birds or a school of fish manages to move in perfect harmony? What if I told you that engineers are mimicking this natural phenomenon with drones? Today, we'll explore how drone swarming works and the role AI plays in making it all possible. First, let's define drone swarming. In simple terms, drone swarming refers to the coordinated and autonomous operation of multiple drones working together to achieve a common goal. Think of it like a synchronized dance, but in the sky. Just like those birds, swarming drones can adapt and respond to their environment, making real-time decisions based on data they collect. But how does AI fit into this picture? Artificial intelligence uses algorithms to analyze data and make predictions. In the context of drone swarming, AI enables these drones to communicate with each other, share information, and execute complex tasks more efficiently than a single drone could. Let's take a look at some exciting applications of drone swarming. In agriculture, farmers are utilizing swarming technology to monitor crops. Imagine a fleet of drones flying over a field, each equipped with sensors that can detect plant health, moisture levels, and pest infestations. By working together, they can cover a vast area much more quickly than a single drone, providing farmers with valuable data that can improve yields and reduce waste. In the military sector, drone swarming is being explored for tactical advantages. Imagine a swarm of drones being deployed to gather intelligence, conduct surveillance, or even carry out coordinated strikes. The ability to work together allows them to confuse enemy defenses and accomplish missions with greater efficiency. And let's not forget about search and rescue operations. Drones can swarm over disaster zones, quickly mapping out areas and locating survivors. The AI can analyze the terrain and the signals of rescue beacons, allowing the drones to efficiently cover more ground and find people who need help faster. According to recent studies, swarming technology can increase operational efficiency by up to 80%. This is incredible when you think about it. The potential for swarming drones is immense, and it's still being explored in various industries. Now, how do these drones coordinate? One of the most popular algorithms used is the particle swarm optimization algorithm. This is inspired by social behavior patterns in animals. Drones can adjust their positions based on the location of their peers, leading to an overall effective strategy. There are other algorithms, too, like the Boyd's algorithm, which simulates the flocking behavior of birds. These algorithms help drones maintain distances, avoid collisions, and follow a leader drone. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. There are challenges to overcome, such as ensuring safe communication between drones and preventing collisions. Additionally, the ethical implications of using drones in military and surveillance contexts must be carefully considered. This is why collaboration is key. Engineers, data scientists, and ethicists are coming together to create guidelines and frameworks for the responsible use of drone swarming technology. So, to wrap it all up, drone swarming is an exciting and rapidly developing technology that has the potential to revolutionize various industries, from agriculture to disaster response. With AI coordination, these drones can work together efficiently, adapting to their surroundings and making real-time decisions. As we continue to explore and develop this technology, it's important to consider not just the benefits but also the ethical implications. What are your thoughts on drone swarming? How do you see it impacting our future? If you found this video informative, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech insights, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.